Welcome to CA APM for SSO. CA APM for SSO allows you to view performance metric data from CA SSO along with other CA APM metrics. It allows you to monitor critical components and isolate application bottlenecks. You are able to validate each user's identity and also control user access, improving overall customer experience. So how does it work? Transactions brokered by CA SSO web agents are tracked and reported to CA APM. CA Environmental Performance Agents, referred to as EP agents, handle forwarding statistics from many different web agent transactions to a central CA APM collection point. CA APM dashboards, type views, and team center display give both CA SSO and CA APM operations people superior visibility and management of their total application. Let's take a look at a quick demonstration. In the following demonstration, James, a Level 1 analyst, has received notifications from various users about not being able to log into systems they normally can. James looks at the APM console and notices that there are failures in the web agent, prompting him to investigate further. The investigation tells him there are failures on the ARTAL03SS02A web agent server. James can see the aggregate data for failures per interval for login, authorization, and validation on the web agent during the time the user was unable to log in. Now that James has verified there are issues with the SSO web agent APM, he opens the investigator to analyze the web agent metrics in deeper detail for that time period. When looking at all of the web agents, James can get an overview of the metrics for each of the three web agents. An overview of operations, resource, and user session hits and access can be seen by selecting the specific web agent. An overview of the operation details are seen by clicking on the operations tree. James is able to see average response times, total responses per interval, total errors per interval, and total failures per interval. He can also get an overview of the authorization, is protected, login, and validation metrics. James can then look at each of the operations in more detail to determine if there are any indications or trends as to which operation is causing the problems that have been reported. After looking at the operations, James looks at the caching, cookies, and URL metrics to see if there are any further indications into what is happening on the web agent. By using CA APM for SSO, James has been able to troubleshoot faster and boost IT productivity.